Hi guys, today we are talking about health benefits of dry figs and its nutrition. Dry figs are a type of fruit that is made from dehydrated fresh figs. They are a popular snack food and ingredient in many recipes due to their sweet, nutty flavor and chewy texture. Dry figs are also known for their numerous health benefits, including being rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, aiding digestion, lowering blood sugar levels, improving heart health, improving bone health, having anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, and supporting weight loss. Dry figs are a nutritious food, containing the following nutrients per 100 g serving: fiber, 7 g, calcium, 94 mg, potassium, 705 mg, magnesium, 54 mg, vitamin B6, 0.2 mg, iron, 1.6 mg, manganese, 0.3 mg, copper, 0.3 mg, vitamin K, 13.3 micrograms, carbohydrates, 77 g. In addition to these nutrients, dry figs also contain small amounts of other vitamins and minerals, as well as antioxidants and phytochemicals that have health-promoting effects.